Saxophone, that was fantastic. We're going to close our portion, guys, with jump swing jazz. A little lively, a lot of fun, a lot of floor tom in the drum set. I mean, this is kind of reminiscent of the speakeasy days. We're talking sing, 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 Louis Prima kind of thing. This chart, though, Big Noise from Winnetka. If you don't know it by name, you'll know it when you hear it. It's by Bob Haggart and Ray Boddick, just a classic piece. We hope you enjoy our closing number. Big Noise from Winnetka.